ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। So, in last class, in few classes, we have been seeing this Nadi Saudnya and this Iyang Sthana, Iyang Vang Adesha Sthana. These Shabdas we saw, and this how this Nadi Saudnya takes place to Dirgha Ikaranta Shabda, Dirgha Ukaranta Shabda, optional to Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta when there is Nit Pratyaya or Am Pratyaya, optional in front of optional to the Hraswanta Shabda when there is Nit Pratyaya is there in front of it. That we saw, and that's how Mati Shabda got optional forms in the case of Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti and Saptami Bhakti Ekvachan. So that we saw. Now here we are. These were the sutras. Idudbhyam Nadi Saudnyagyabhyam Parasya Ngehe Amsyat. So that this sutra also we saw in the order here itself. Matyam Matav here itself we saw that how Idudbhyam sutra is required. Though it is having Nadi Saudnya, what Mati Shabda is having Nadi Saudnya optional. When it is having Nadi Saudnya, the Ni will be replaced by Am. There should not be any problem. So that we saw. But Idudbhyam is very much required. If it is not brought, then what problem occurs? That we saw. And then Idudbhyam Sutra also was finished. We got the two forms. Matyam, when Idudbhyam Sutra is applied, we get Am in the place of Ni. Matav, when we apply Accha Ghehe, because when there is no Nadi Saudnya, Sheshogya Sakhi, it is Ghi Saudnya. And when it is Ghi Saudnya, so the Ni gets replaced by Out and the Ikara gets replaced by Akara. And again, with that Akara and Okara, Vruddhi takes place, we get Matav form. Shesham Harivar. Remaining forms are just like Hari. So Sambodhana Ekvachana, there will be Guna, Raswasya Gunaha. Because it is Raswa, it will get Guna. So Mati will become Mate, Hemate. And Dvivachana. Prathamayoho Purvasavarna takes place, Hemati. Jasicha Guna takes place, Bahuvachana, when there is just Pratyaya after Raswasya Gunaha, Jasicha, this sutra comes. And we get Mate Jas, Mate As, Matai As, Matayas, Matayaru, Matayar, Matayaha, He Matayaha, Sambodhana, Bahuvachan form. So thus we got whole Mati Shabda, Mati, Mati, Mataya, Mati, Mati, Matihi, Matya, Matibhyam, Matibihi, Matye, Mataya, Matibhyam, Matibhya, Matyaha, Mate, Matibhyam, Matibhya, Matyaha, Mate, Matyoho, Matina, Matyam, Matav, Matyoho, Matishu, He Mate, He Mati, He Mataya. So that was the Hraswa Ikaranta Shabda. Now we will go to the, this is Hraswa Ikaranta Shabda is over. Now, same way, Rasva Ukaranta Shabda is not very different from that. Instead of Mati, now there was Rasva Ukaranta, if we take Dhenu. So how will it be declined? Just imagine the Mati Shabda and compare it with Hari. Hari Shabda, it's just like Guru. Guru and Hari, Pullinga Shabdas will be declined in the same manner. In the same way, Dhenu and Mati will be declined in the same way. Dhenu is cow. Now, how it is declined? Dhenu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Sayushuru, Kharavasana, Visarjaniya, no change, just so will turn into Visarga. Dhenu, Prathamayoho, Purvasavarnaha. Dhenavaha, Jasicha, by that Guna. Dheno, As. Dhenavas, Dhenavaru, Dhenavar, Dhenavaha. Dhenum, Ami Purvaha, Purvarupa Adesha takes place. Dhenu, again, Prathamayoho, Purvasavarnaha. Dhenuhu, Prathamayoho, Purvasavarnaha, and then Sa turns into this Visarga. And Nakara does not come. Whereas in the case of Guru Shabda or Rasva Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda, we see that Nakara comes in the place of Sakara. Then what will happen here? Any guess? Bhakti, Ekvachan. For Mati Shabda, whatever we did, same thing we have to do here. No changes. Just Yana Adesha, nothing different. Dhenu, U, A. U will be replaced by U. So, Dhenva. Dhenu, Bhyam. No prakriya, just we have to connect. Dhenu, Bhi. Here there will be two forms. Why? Because Niti Hrasvascha Nadi Saudnyakas Syat. So, in Y, once the An Nadyaha, Art will come with I, with A. I, Artascha Vruddhi will take place. Dhenu, I, then Y, Yanadesha will happen and we will get then Y form. And if Nadi Saudnya does not happen, then what will happen? Sheshogya Sakhi, by this sutra, it will be having Ghi Saudnya. Because it has Ghi Saudnya, Gher Niti, Niti Paresati, Gehe Guna Hasyat. You will get Dhenu turning into Dheno As. Dheno As. Purva Rupa Adesha will take place because of Nasing Asoscha. Nasing Asoho Pare Gehe Purva Rupa Hasya. So here we will get Dhenoho. Dhenvai, Dhenoho. Dhenubhyam. Dhenvaha. If Nadi Saudna takes place, then Art will come. Art As. As. Dhenu As. Dhenvas. Yanadesha will happen. Dhenvas. We will get Dhenvaru, Dhenvar, Dhenvaha. Or here Chaturthi Bhakti Ekvachan. Panchami Bhakti. Dhenave. Guna will take place and Ayadi Adesh will happen. Panchami Bhakti Ekvachan. Dhenoho will happen. Dhenubhyam Dvitiya Dvivachan. Vishesh, same as Panchami. Dhenoho. Nadi Saudnya Pakshe Dhenvaha. And Ghi Saudnya Pakshe Dhenoho. Dhenvoho. Just Yana Desha. Have to do. Dhenu. Na. Nami Dirgha Sir. Rasvanadya Punut. Because it is Rasvanta, therefore Nut Agama comes. And Nami iti Ajantanga se Dirgha Bhavati. धेन्वाम ईदुभ्यामिति ङेः आम भवति नदी संज्ञा पक्षे घी संज्ञा पक्षे तावत् अच्च घेः. So we will get धेनौ धेन्वोः धेनुषु. Then संबोधन हे धेनो. Why? Why this धेनोः हे धेनो will happen? It is same sutra as we applied for Mati Shabda. हे धेनु हे धेनु हे धेनु. ईदुभ्याम नदी संज्ञकाभ्याम परसंज्ञे हे आम स्यात् शेषम हरिवत मध्यम मतलब शेषम हरिवत एवं बुद्ध्यादय in the same way buddhi shabda etc shall be declined. We decline ukaranta also because prakriya is same. When ukaranta will come, that time it will be repeated, but for now it is like this. So ukaranta, actually ukaranta is not discussed here. Now here next sutra is this sutra is coming because our shabda is three shabda we are going to decline into pullinga, and it was declined like trayah jasicha gunah trin prathamayo purvasavarnah tasmachchasu napunsi tribhi nothing tribhya trayanam there the yakara had come trestrayah, so three was replaced by traya, and then trishu, but here three changes its form. For strilinga, in strilinga it is declined in different way, it has some particular format, whatever that form is, that we are going to see. So let's read the sutra. Trichaturo striyam tisruchatasro Trichaturo striyam tisruchatasro Trichaturo striyam tisruchatasro Tri Chatur, these two words are discussed here. Word is Chatur. So 3 is 3, Chatur is 4. 3 and Chatur, these two words will be replaced by Tisru and Chatasru. Will be replaced by so 3 will be replaced by Tisru, Chatur will be replaced by Chatasru. Now if you remember, we were saying this Kroshtu Shabda, Kroshtu turns Rukaranta, it becomes Rukaranta. Trijvat Kroshtu. So this Kroshtu, though it is Ukaranta, it becomes Rukaranta, and then it is declined. Here 3 is Ikaranta, but because this particular Adesha takes place in the Strilinga Vivaksha, therefore it becomes Rukaranta. Originally it is Ikaranta. That's why it is discussed here. Now because it has become Rukaranta, now we have to decline it as Rukaranta. Okay. What is the meaning of sutra? स्त्रीलिंगयोः एतौ विभक्तौ स्तः. So स्त्रीलिंगयोः त्रिचतुरोः strilinga. When tri and chatur, these two shabdas are in the strilinga or stritva vivaksha, striyam, trichaturoho striyam, striyam strilingayoho, in the stritva vivaksha, tisru chatasru etau adeshau stha. These two adeshas will happen. Kada, when will it happen? Vibhaktau pare sati, when there is vibhakti saudnyaka pratyaya in front of this 3 and chatur. So this does not just get randomly replaced, but this goes like this. So 3 bahuvachana, therefore just will come, ekvachan dvivachan will not come. Next step will be, because it is having vibhakti pratyay in front of it, 3 will be replaced by tisru dhana as. Tisru dhana as. Same thing happens with chatasru. Just again it is bahuvachana, so it will turn into chatasru. Same thing happens with shas. Then this bhis, bhyas, am and sup. With these pratyas will also happen the same prakriya. Now, next, now here we are, 3 is replaced by tisru, and in this situation, the first there was guna prapta because of jasi cha, rasvasya jasi pare sati guna syat. By that sutra, guna is prapta. But that guna does not happen. It is stopped by next sutra. So that sutra, let's read. Achira rutaha, achira rutaha, achira rutaha, achira rutaha. What this sutra is saying? Tisru chatasru etayoho rukarasya refadeshasya. Sutra is saying ra mane rahasya. Main statement है, रहस्यात माने क्या? रेफः स्यात्. रह इति रेफः स्यात्. May refa happen. To what? To rukarasya. To the rukara. Rukara of what? So it is saying that through and chatasru. Etayoho. Whatever tisru and chatasru, these two words we have brought, the rukara of those two words will be replaced by refa when there is ach in front of them. Okay, when there is ach in front of them. That is the work of this sutra. Because just pratyay is ajadi, tisru as, that was the condition. Here were we. Tisru as. Ru as. This refa will be replaced by, this rukara will be replaced by refa. This, what is the sutra? This is the sutra. Tisru chatasru etayoho, of this tisru and chatasru, rukarasya of rukara, refa adesha syat, in the place of rukara, refa adesha will take place. Okay. Achi rutaha ra syat. Achi pare sati rukarasya refah syat. Kayoho tisru chatasru etayoho. That is the meaning. Okay. So we got tisru as, tisru as. Now what will be the next prakriya? Tisras. Tisra. Ru. Tisrar. Final form will be Tisra. Now, three. What will happen here?
The same prakriya.
Correct.
So achira ritaha. So tisru will become refa plus shas will become us. So same prakriya.
They will be replaced by Tisru. Sutra is
achira ritaha.
No. First sutra we have to apply. Trichaturo striyam tisru chatasru. This sutra we have to apply. Tisru will be adesha.
Yeah.
Striyam us. Here, what is prapta?
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः.
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्ण इति प्राप्ते. Ra, it gets replaced by Ra. Us, sutra is
achira ritaha.
Repa of Tisru and Chatasru. When there is Ajadi Pratyay in front of them, the Rukara gets replaced by Repa. We get again Tisras form. So it will be Ru, Ru, then Tisra disappear. Final form Karavasana Visarjanudha. Now,
What is the right pronunciation? Tisru or tisri?
Tisraha.
No, not the final form. Here everybody pronounces here it as not
Tisri.
Rikara, they pronounce it as Ri.
Tisri.
Which is right?
There is no conclusion by Vidwan that this is correct and this is wrong, because in three pronunciations I have seen. One is this Tisri. In Maharashtra it is Tisru, and in South I have seen Tisru. These are the three different pronunciations. Generally they take the Maharashtra pronunciations as the Maharashtrian pronunciation as the authentic pronunciations. But about this Ru, I don't know why they are pronouncing like Ru. I don't know. We will say Krupa. Krupa. We will not say Krupa. In North, they will say Kripa. So a reason I have not found. There was one Marathi. Yes, Swamiji.
The same thing like Krishna. So some people will say Krishna. Some people will say Krushna. So you have to basically pronounce it is neither Krishna nor Krushna. It is in between.
Yes.
That's all.
Krishna. So, one solution is in whatever region we are, let's follow that pronunciation, or from whatever region we belong to, let's follow that one.
No, but to hear as Matri, it sounds very funny. Matri. But when they say Shatru, they say Shatru. They don't say Shatri. But when they say Matru, they say Matri. It's a little bit confusing.
Not sure about that. This one is Rukara.
I think we can proceed with this. We don't
Yes.
have to worry about pronunciation. Offline, you can discuss that.
Three, this here we were. Again, 3 gets replaced by sutra is those Tisrubhi, final form is yes. Tisru Dhana, yes. Sutra is Refa and then Karavasana Visarjaniya. Again, same prakriya. Is Yam, Tisru, question in front of us. Now, Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare Sati, 3 gets replaced by Tisru. Sutra is the normal sutra, Trichaturo. Here, the conflict will come. One conflict is there. Whether we should bring Repha by Achira Rutah or Nut by Rasvan Adhyapo Nut. This is the question. Here is the sutra Achira Rutah 7 to 100 and Rasvan Adhyapo Nut. There is another sutra. So, which karya we should do? Regarding this, we had seen one paribhasha. Remember this?
Vipratishede param karyam.
Correct. Now, Vipratishede param karyam, if we apply, there is Rasvan Adhyapo Nut. So, sutra is Rasvantat, Natyantat, Abantat, Parasya, Amaha, Nutsyat. This is Nut Agama. And our current sutra is Achira Rutah. This is Achira Rutah. Achira Rutah. This is 7 to 100. Now which one we will apply? Achiraruta we are supposed to apply. But if we apply Achirarutaha, then this Tisru will become Tisra. Now, what will be the next step? If we apply Achirarutaha, and how did we apply Achirarutaha? We applied Achirarutaha by Vipratishede Paramkari. What will happen here? The form will be. This is how the form will be, which is not the Sadhu Prayoga. This is not the Sadhu Rupa. This is Asadhu. What is Sadhu Rupa? Sadhu Rupa is this. This is the correct form. This is what we want. Now, in order to get this form, we need Nut Agama. Nut Agama is must. Now we must bring this Nut Agama. How will we bring this Nut Agama? So here itself we will have to work, because Nut Agama requires Hraswanta Anga. After applying this Achirarutaha, Anga does not remain Hraswanta, it becomes Halanta. Refa comes there. So Nut Agama is not possible after that. If you want to bring Nut Agama in the Ajanta situation only, we should bring this. So Tisru Am here itself we should bring, but their conflicts come. This conflict arises that what should we do? Whether we should bring Nut or we should do the Achiraruta. Achiraruta is supposed to be brought, but expected is Nut. How will we bring? So we had seen this Paribhasha. This
We had seen it during Roshtru.
Correct. Paribhasha is Numachirat Rujvat Bhavebhyo Nut Purva Vipratishedheni. So Vipratishedhe Param Karyam, this particular sutra, we had seen another meaning, right? Opposite meaning of this sutra. Vipratishedhe Param Karyam and Vipratishedhe Aparam Karyam. That's how we had seen the two meanings of that sutra. So first is when there is Vipratishedha, Tulya Bala Virodha, then later one should be applied. And second interpretation we had seen, when there is Vipratishedha, the former one will be applied. And Bhashyakara's opinion was, whatever is Ishta shall be done. Whatever the sutra is Ishta, that sutra should be applied. So, two ways we can bring this Nut Agama here. Either we have to take Vipratishedhe Aparam Karya, or Bhashyakara's opinion, Para as Ishta. So, Nut is Ishta, therefore we will do Nut. Rasmanadhyam, Nut. And that's how we will bring Nut. So, this step will be removed. Will not happen. What will happen? This Nut. Sutra is, means we have to Rasva Nathako help we took off Rujvat Bhavebhyo the Paribhasha, and with that we saw this. So now we have Tisru. Nam. Here one more sutra comes it is supposed to be applied. What is that sutra? Anga is hraswanta.
Nami.
Nami. Nami ajanta angasya dirghasya. So anga is ajanta. There is nam in front of it. So ajanta anga should be dirghanta. It should become dirghanta. Iti avasthayam nami ajantasya dirghatve e next sutra comes. Let's read. Natisru cha tasru, natisru cha tasru, natisru cha tasru, natisru cha tasru, natisru cha tasru. Now this sutra comes here, right after Nami. Nami is the sutra, and sutra natisru cha tasru is here. Natisru cha tasru. So Nami pare ajantangasya dirghasya. Nami pare tisru chatasru iti etayoh. We have to put that tisru chatasru to shashti. So Nami pare tisru chatasru iti etayoh ajantangasya dirghah na. That is the full meaning, full vritti of this. Nami pare tisru chatasru iti etayoh ajantangasya dirghah na. That is the vritti. What is vritti given by Granthakara? एतयोः तिसृ चतस्रु इति एतयोः नामी परे सति दीर्घः न स्यात् will not happen. Direct nisheda right after Nami sutra it comes. What was our situation? This was our situation. Tisru and Nam. In this situation, Ru was supposed to be dirgha. Does not happen. Tisru chatasru iti dirgha does not happen. We get now something will happen.
Dirgha is dirgha.
Oh.
Natva will happen.
Huh? Natva will happen. Tisruna. Even whatever the karana is there to turn that nakara into nakara, same refa along with refa and shakara, rikara also should be counted. That is the vati. So tisrunam, this is what we get the form.
Isn't there a dirgha rikara there?
No. This is the sutra. Nami dirgha syat ajantangasya tisru chatasru iti etayoh na syat. So, everywhere else, matrunam, pitrunam, kartrunam, everywhere it will be dirgha. Sutra is Nami, but here it is Nishiddha because of Natisru Chatasru. Specifically only for Tisru and Chatasru words. Then next form is, here we will type. What will happen? Saptama Vibhakti Bahuvachan is remaining.
Tisrushu.
Okay. First, Oho, Striya, Chatasru. Nothing, just Sa will turn into Sha. Adesha Pratyayayoho. Three Shabda for Strilinga, it gets over. Now, Na Tisru Chatasru Sutra, here this something should be mentioned. This Tisru Chatasru is supposed to be Shashtyanta. Okay, Etayoho Nami Dirghasya. So that's how it is given in the Vritti also. But that Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti is not mentioned in front of it. Tisru Chatasru, Etayoho Nami Dirghasya. Why? Where is the Shashti of it? So it is Lupta. So sometimes in Sutras, Maharshi Paniniji himself will not follow his rules. So sometimes these forms will be like Vaidika Prayoga. And reason is Chandot Sutrani Bhavanti. The Sutra Sahitya may not follow the rules of Paniniya grammar. So we may find some forms or some usages which are apaniniya, or we may not find the reason for that particular form in Ashtadhyayi or Maharshi Paniniji's grammar. Now, Maharshi Paniniji himself does not follow sometimes, and the reason is this: Chandot Sutrani Bhavanti. Now, this Tisru Chatasru Balamanorama is giving. Tisru Chatasru iti Lupta Shashtikam Padam. Lupta Shashtikam Padam is where the Shashti has become Lupta. Nyasakara has given some justification, but that justification goes to this Chandasa Prayoga. And then and finally it is good to say that Chandot Sutrani Bhavanti, because sutras are like Chanda, means Veda, therefore it is used like this. This is the reason. So that's it. Etayoho Nami Dirgha Na. This is the sutra. Tisrunam, Tisrushu, both the forms are over. Now, 3 was Hrasva Ikaranta. Another word, Dvi. Dvi is also Hrasva Ikaranta. Now, Dvi should be discussed. We had discussed Dvi in Ajanta Pullinga. There we got Dvau, Dvau, Dvabhyam, 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 Dvayoho, Dvayoho. These forms we got. Now we are supposed to decline this Dvi Shabda for Strilinga. Now there is Stritva Vivaksha. In this Stritva Vivaksha, before some prakriya happens. What is that prakriya? Dvi Shabda is there. And then there is this Au. Because it is Dvishabda, there will not be Ekavachana forms, there will not be Bahuvachana forms, because it itself has Dvitva. And in order to bring the Padatva, Au is coming. Otherwise, Artha is already Ukta by that Pada itself, Pratipadika itself. So now in this situation, something happens. This is the sutra.
Okay.
Yadadinam Akaranta. So Ikara will turn into Akara. When when there are vibhakti pratyayas are there in front of them. Okay. So esham tyadadi namah tyad tad yad etad, these are the words counted in sarvadigana. In that sarvadigana, tyad onwards, dvi till dvi shabda. Adini sarvanamani. Here it is. Tyad tad yad etad idam adas ekad dvi. Till this shabda, whatever shabdas are there, they will end with akara. So tyad will become tya, tad will become ta, the akara will become, and then further process is there. Dvi also becomes dwa. So this dvi turns into dwa. Ikara gets replaced by akara by sutra tyadadi namah. This is the sutra. Tyadadi namah. Tyat adi nam aha. This is the meaning. Esham akara syat antadesha. Akara antadesha syat vibhakta. When there is vibhakti. Then so, dvi au. Vibhakti pratyay is there in front of dvi. Va I. This is the situation. Ikara is replaced by akara. Va a. Oh, sutra is Yadadi namah. Yadadi namah. Now what will happen? Now we have one step is there which we have not studied. Step is whenever there is now, because dvi is expected in stri, means stritva vivaksha is there. When there is stritva vivaksha in any type of shabda, stri pratyay will come. Any shabda, if we desire it to express in the stritva, so that shabda will get stri pratyaya. So there is separate set of sutras which will give us the set of pratyayas which are used to convert particular word into stritva or strilinga. Now, wherever there is akaranta shabda, there is one autsargika niyama, that akaranta shabda, if we want it to be in the stritva or stritva vivaksha is there, then that akaranta shabda will get tap stri pratyaya. What? Tap. This stri pratyaya will come. Ajat gyatah tap. Any this ajadi shabdas are there, means akara is there at the end. Then those shabdas will turn into akaranta. So dvi became dva. Now it is akaranta, and because it is akaranta, tap will come. So dva here. Tap comes. Oh. So tap. We get dwa. Ta disappears, the pa disappears, and then dirgha sandhi we do ajadyatashta. Dwa. Oh. Now the prakriya will happen. Now I can ask, what will happen here?
Like strilinga pratyaya only, right?
Yeah, we brought the stri pratyaya.
In strilinga pratyaya, then we can do aungapaha.
Correct. Aunga apa. Aunga sthane she syat. She. Aunga apa. Abantat aunga she syat. Okay. Now dwa a dhana e. What will happen here?
Adna.
Okay, but before that something is prapta. Adguna is what prapta, and that's what we are going to do. The form is this. If we do adguna, we will get form dve. But before that something is applied. Something is prapta. I will leave that. So we will get dve. You can find. Then again the same prakriya happens and we get the ikara will be replaced by akara, dva. Dva will become dva plus au, dva e, dve. Final form will be dve by doing adguna. Now all three forms will be just as it is. Dvi dhanabhyam abhyam yadadinamah द्विहि अभ्याम द्वाभ्याम द्वाभ्यः सॉरी द्वाभ्याम द्वाभ्याम Os. What will happen here? Okay. Next, one step I will tell. A dhana os. By tyadadi naam.
Tyajadinam.
What will be the next?
Akara plus akara, vriddhi sambandha.
Then dvauhu it will happen, but that is not the form. Form is dvayoho.
Angi chapah.
Correct. Angi chapah. Angi osi cha pare apah abantasya ekarah syat. So when there is ang tritiya vibhakti ekvachan and os षष्ठी विभक्ति सप्तमी विभक्ति द्विवचन form in front of abantanga, abantanga gets ekara adesha, that dva becomes dva a becomes ekara. Sutra is angi. Now dva I echoyava yavah ayadi adesha will take place. Os. Sutra is द्वयोस् द्वयोरु द्वयोर द्वयोः खरवसाने विसर्जनीयः द्वयोः. सेम प्रक्रिया और सप्तमी विभक्ति द्विवचन अंशो. सो द्वि ओस द्व ओस द्वा ओस Dve os dvaya. Dvay os. Then dvayoho. That's what we get. Dvishabda is declined. So Trishabda was Ikaranta, that was declined. Dvishabda was also Ikaranta, that was also declined. Trishabda got replaced by Tisru. Dvishabda got Akara Adesha at the end and it was declined like any ordinary Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. So here, Dve, Dve, Dvabhyam, 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 Dvayoho, Dvayoho. That's it. So Dvishabda is over. Trishabda was over, Dvishabda is over. Now, next Shabda is Dirgha Ikaranta Shabda taken. So Dirgha Ikaranta is this Gauri Shabda is taken. Gauri. This Gauri Shabda is ending with Nish. That is Nish. There is one sutra, Shid Gauradibhascha. Now we had seen that Nish, Nip, Neen, these are the Strilinga Pratyas. All of them will be talked by Ni. Just Ni will be used. Okay. Because it is Nyanta. You have to remember this is Nyanta. Okay. It is Nyanta and it is Dirgha Ikaranta Strilinga. Therefore, it has Nadi Saudhnya. Because it has Nadi Saudhnya, all the Nadi Karya will be applicable. Now, as per the order, Dirgha Ikaranta Shabda should come here. Means in the order, if at all we follow the Granthakara order, Dirgha Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda is discussed here. Gauri is taken. Gauri Su we have already taken. What will happen here? Gauri Su. Correct. Ukar will disappear, Sa will remain, Sa will get aprukta and it is Hal. Therefore, Hal Ni Apya. Nyantat. Nyantat. Aprukta Hal Lupyate. Sa will disappear. So we will get Gauri 0. Gauri. And we get Prathama Bhakti Ekvachan form. Gauri. Gauri. Dhana Au. What will happen here? Is Prapta. Iko Yanachi is Prapta. Prathama Purva Savarna does Bada of that. Then correct. What will happen here? Correct. Sutra is correct. Na at ichi, na dichi, dirghat jasicha, na dirghadesha, prathama purva savarna dirghadesha, na syat dirghat jasi ichi cha pratyaya paresati.
So that is Bada.
Again it will, the pratiprasava will happen of Iko Yanachi and we will get Yanadesha only. Gauri, Gauri. So this is the situation. First Iko Yanachi was Prapta, then Prathama Purva Savarna, then it was Badhita by this Dirghat Jasicha. So Gaura Ya by Iko Yanachi only, you have to remember. Iko Yanachi. How it comes? So reason is Dirghat Jasicha. And we get the form. Yo. This is the form. Now there is one more form possible. Gaur Yo. This form is also possible. But what is the reason can be found out. So here I think we will stop. Stop Swamish here.
Yes.
शांती पाठ. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. हरि ओम.
Hariom ji.
हरि ओम.